Just a quick video here on the operation of this 3D printed Hummingbird feeder heater. I think this is very similar to most of the commercially available models that use light bulb to heat this up. I'm using hair ties here to clip this on to the perches. I feel like it makes it easier to take it in and get it washed and cleaned up. It is using a light bulb. They sell these for, they say online, doing Christmas villages or ceramic pumpkins. It fits inside a 1-inch hole, is what they have that listed as. And this 3D printed base just has a lip there that it clips into, and then you get the light there on the inside, and it just kind of catches the lip of the Hummingbird feeder, and then use these hair ties to hold it onto the perches. I started off with a 7-watt bulb in here, and you can, I think, kind of see here in the video that the feeder is still a little bit frozen, and so I've just went ahead and swapped it out for a 15-watt bulb to try and get a little bit more heat on there and keep this thawed out for our hummingbirds. And so that is the operation of that feeder.